Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about Nifty and Sensex. Before proceeding further, let me give you a little introduction of the Indian stock market. The stock market in India has two main stock exchanges. They are the National Stock Exchange and the Bombay Stock Exchange. Consider a stock exchange as a market in which stocks are bought and sold. Both stock exchanges have various indexes. A stock market index is a measurement of a section of the stock market. It is computed from the prices of selected stocks. Now Nifty or Nifty 50 is NSE's index and Sensex is BSE's benchmark index. Now the National Stock Exchange or the NSE was established in 1992. It was started to end the monopoly of the Bombay Stock Exchange in the Indian markets. It was the first exchange in the country to provide a fully automated electronic trading system. NSE has a total market capitalization of $1.41 trillion. It is the 12th largest stock exchange as of March 2016. The Nifty 50 index is National Stock Exchange of India's benchmark broad-based stock market index for Indian equity market. The full form for Nifty is National Stock Exchange 50. It represents the weighted average of 50 Indian company stocks in 13 sectors. The base year for Nifty is 1995. Here is a list of all the Nifty 50 companies. In case you are wondering about the use of the base year, the base year price is used as the indicator for the growth. For example, the base value of Nifty in 1995 was 1000. For next year, that is 1996, Nifty was 1290, which means a 29% growth in that financial year. Now Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE was established in 1875 and is Asia's oldest stock exchange. It is the world's fastest stock exchange with a median trade speed of 6 microseconds. The BSE is world's 11th largest stock exchange with an overall market capitalization of $1.43 trillion as of March 2016. More than 5,500 companies are publicly listed on the BSE. The BSE Sensex is a free float market weighted stock market index of 30 well established and financially sound companies listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. These 30 companies, which are some of the largest and most actively traded stocks, are representative of various industrial sectors of the Indian economy. The base year for Sensex is 1978-79. Now that the meaning of index is clear to us, let's move on to its purpose. Now suppose you wanted to gauge what the overall sentiment of the market is. How are you going to do that? That's right, you will use the stock market index to do this. Investors and traders often use the stock market index to gauge the overall sentiment of the market. A market index is also used as a benchmark portfolio performance. Indices act as an underlying for index funds, index futures, and options. Indexes are also used in passive fund management by index funds. The index can give a comparison of returns on investments in stock markets as opposed to asset classes such as gold or debt. So that is all for this video. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comments below. I'll make sure you get the answer. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. We post weekly stock market update videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.